You ever heard of a Rolex mistake that's worth a fortune? This is the Panna Dial Daytona, Rolex's happy accident that collectors are losing their minds over. This watch started its life with a crisp white dial, but thanks to a factory defect, it's aging like fine wine, morphing into a creamy, almost tropical beige. Only the P, Key, and Y series from 2000-2002 have this mutation. And the crazier part, the more you wear it, the more it changes. Sunlight speeds up the transformation, turning it from slightly off-white to a rich, vintage cream over time. Some hardcore collectors have already seen their dials go full yellow. This is giving major Patrizzi dial vibes. And we all know how that turned out. Those are now worth stupid money. On top of that, this was the first Daytona with Rolex's in-house Calibre 4130 movement, making it a milestone piece. A neo-vintage icon with a factory flaw that only gets better. Yeah, history tells us this is the kind of thing that skyrockets in value. And if you want one before the prices go crazy, we've got one right now at monster-time.com. Don't sleep on this.